To put it bluntly, eBay is a beast. I mean, there's so much analytics and so much customization that you can do in your store that to the new person, it just feels overwhelming. So in today's video, I'm gonna break down just really simple 2 tips that will help you better your experience when it comes to your store. Let's go. 1, how do you run a sale on eBay? And 2, is it beneficial to have different categories in your eBay business? So they really do come together, but first let's go ahead and show you how do you create categories in eBay. So the first thing we're gonna go to is find your eBay store. So I just like to click on the hyperlink that directs me immediately to my profile, and at the very top you can go visit store. Once that has been uploaded, you'll see how you've adapted your store thus far, and you can go to the very top right here and say manage my store. After you click on manage my store, I'm gonna be honest, there's definitely new features that have been created on eBay. So it says even right here, new feature video in your store. That is something that they just recently updated with. But you have off to the side your subscriber discounts, managing your subscription, store newsletter, and store categories. I have no idea what newsletter is. Like, I'm gonna investigate that after I do this video. But you're gonna wanna click on store categories. Now, these are all of the categories that I have personally created as I've thought through them and also just figured out how I wanted to organize my store specifically. So you have reorder, you have add store catalogs. The reorder is new, which I'm really thankful they actually have added. Under women's clothing, you have a drop down and I have activewear, dresses and skirts, shirts, jeans, shorts, pants. I actually need to edit one for the men. So let's go ahead and go into the edit section. We are gonna rename in pants. We're gonna put, yeah, we'll keep it as pants, and let's do the same thing as we have with the others. We have jeans, pants, shorts, okay? Simple, to the point. I just want all bottoms, men's bottoms. I could probably just say that there, but I want to be a little more specific with that. If you want to add any categories, you can do that here. There is a category I actually do need to add. I would like to add a subcategory, and we are going to put in kitchen appliances. Okay, and then I also have an other, and if you'll also notice right here, I have a clearance one. There's a reason for that. So now we're gonna hop over. I just wanna keep that page really quick. And we are gonna go to the marketing tab. So this is your seller summary. We're gonna click on marketing. This has also been just recently updated. You can do a markdown sale right here. So you wanna click on that. And then up at the top right here, you have order discount, shipping discount, sales event, and markdown. I generally like to do sales event and markdown, so I'm gonna click on that. I haven't tried the new coupon. The coupon thing, if I'm not mistaken, is for the people who have purchased in your store before. You can send them a coupon. I don't know if it is for the people who have liked the items. I personally need to investigate that a little bit more, but we're gonna just stay focused on how do you create store categories in this video, as well as how to do sales. I need to do one for that one that I was showing you. So we're gonna do 50% off. We're gonna go select items. Now, you go to this screen and it says select items. If you do that one, you can only pick 500 items out of that, or you can do create rules using categories. And as you can see there, now you can have over 10,000 items. So this is why it's important to have categories in your eBay store. We'll do a single listing just so I can show you. Let's say we have some Madewell high-rise jeans. I don't know why, I just always thinking about that. So immediately when you start to see that, it shows clothing, shoes, accessories, women's clothing, and then jeans. If I click on that, that is now the eBay stores category. That's fine, you can use that category, but I like to organize my stuff so then when I am creating my sales, I know the items I have put into that specific category. So you could have something in jeans, but say they were more of like a jegging style and you want to say they're more leggings, so maybe you put it in like activewear. This allows you to see right here your store categories that you have created. So then when you go to your sales, it's a little easier process. So remember how I said keep an eye out for that clearance one? I have 76 items in my clearance. What is in my clearance? I go to the very last page of my listings. So let's go ahead and go back here. I have my listings set up as like a chronological order. So the very last page is the items that have been in my closet the longest. So if we go to that section, that is page 14. So if I ever want to move items into this category and I basically wanted to clear out my oldest items that I have on eBay, I'm going to click this. It's going to select all of those items. We're going to go edit selection. It's processing. This is one of my favorite things about eBay is you have this bulk area right here. Poshmark needs to get with it. So then I again can do select all. We're going to go to edit fields, and then we're going to go to categories. When we go to categories, we're going to click on store category. We're going to go change to, and we are going to put these items in the clearance section. So now that these items are put into the clearance section, we will at the very bottom go to submit changes and confirm and submit. Now let's go back to our store. We have a 50% off sale going on with our clearance items. We want to get these items out. You can sure put in what you want your price range to be. You know, okay, let's do 1,000 because I know there's nothing in here that's going to be 1,000. So then we can go to save and review. And I'm going to just update this and say clearance flash sale. I don't want it to, well, sure, let's have it include new items because I just moved some items into it. Normally I would say no to that if I'm doing like a store-wide sale. Any of the new items that I am listing, I do not want them to get added immediately into whatever sale I have going on. I want them to have a chance to potentially sell at the price that I put them at. And then once that week is over and I am refreshing my sale that's going on, I will add it into that. But that also gives it some time to get cross-listed over to Poshmark as well. So we're gonna put this sale from December 15th. Let's go ahead and put it to the end of the year. So only a couple weeks, you guys, which is crazy. And I always like to put here like bundle to save more because you can save more on shipping. Ta-da! Okay, very, very simple, to the point. Let's double check. It's starting now. We are going to launch this. And now you have a sale going on, and now you know how to add store categories. If you guys liked this video, hit that subscribe button and a like, and I will see you guys on my next tip video. Bye.